Hello everyone, welcome back to my studio. I have to say thank you for everyone who's been bearing with me. Been in a little bit of a slump lately, so I haven't been putting as many videos out as I would normally do. So I just want to say that I appreciate every single person that does tune in and watch the videos for me. Takes the trouble to leave a comment and like, and yeah, you are really appreciated, so thank you very much for doing that. If you're new here today, a great big welcome to you. I hope you find this entertaining and that you learn something from it. I'm not doing a voiceover today. I've just got some notes on the screen, and today's video is part of a challenge by Sue from Discovering the Art of Living, and we're making something themed around the word hope. So I am painting the flower of hope, which is the iris, and I'm doing it Van Gogh style, or Van Gogh style. Yes, so it's nice and loose and very impressionistic, and I was really happy with how this turned out. So the iris is a beautiful flower. So according to ancient Greeks, the goddess Iris carried messages between human beings and gods, and that was via a rainbow. So quite a romantic little notion of what the iris stands for there. Anyway, I hope you like the video. I was really happy with the way the painting turned out. It's an impressionistic painting, and I've done it really loosely, just like Van Gogh did his flowers. I wasn't trying to replicate his flowers, of course, but yeah, I think we got a similar effect.